Ministry of Gender Equality and Family is making a push to lessen the gender gap in the workplace. It is no secret that Korea is facing a serious workforce shortage. A low birth rate and a large number of baby boomers heading into retirement is a huge concern. The Ministry of Gender Equality and Family believes that one of the main reasons for the shortage in the workforce is the gender gap. Korea's gender pay gap is the highest of all OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development nations. After childbirth, many women opt not to return to work. The ministry cites the pay gap as one of the main reasons. Documented differences. In 2006, Korea ranked 92 in the Global Gender Gap Report, which ranks countries based on economical, political, and educational gender differences. In their 2013 report, Korea dropped nearly 20 notches to 111.